Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself with InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my InShot application, and if you want to clone yourself in a video, make sure that you create a video like this. You can record yourself on two sides. Here I have recorded myself on two sides, and I'm going to cut the video at this part. Okay, where I haven't moved to another site. Then we can click on PIP and import the same video. This is the video that I have just recorded, and I'm going to click on this autofill to fit the screen, and I'm going to cut this video as well. I'm going to cut it right here where I move to another site. In here we can click on cutout to remove the background, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now as you can see that the clone of myself has been created, and we can click on this check mark, and here is the result. Alright guys, and that's how you can clone yourself with InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.